you have health questions.
And we have answers!
Yeah.
It's time
To Ask the Doctors! And this question comes to us from Twitter. A viewer writes, every time before and during my menstrual cycle, I get terrible migraines. What is causing this and how can I stop the pain? So, she is not alone. And it's estimated that menstrual migraines affect some 60% of women who have a history of migraines. And for many women, these migraines occur more frequently during their cycle. And we talked earlier in the show about hormones. And this is usually a drop in estrogen levels. Have you ever experienced migraine headaches?
No, knock on wood, I'm not.
Migraines?
Yeah, no, knock on wood, I'm not a migraine sufferer, but this is a real issue for many, many women. For a couple days before your period, the first few days of your period, when your estrogen levels are really low, this is when it can be even more severe. Some of the more novel treatments for this, if it's truly hormonal, is actually to use a vaginal ring and to stack them. So rather than taking them out for that 1 week a month when otherwise you might have that drop in estrogen, just to keep them stacked back to back to back so that only once every 6 to 8 months do you experience that sort of hormonal drop. And then knowing when that's coming, you can medicate with triptans, which are really kind of the state of the art in migraine treatment. So we all know about the pills, but you can also get them as fast-acting nasal sprays. You can get triptans as injections. So kind of planning around this a little bit preventively can really
It also highlights a lot of people will have headaches frequently, and they'll say, oh, I get migraines all the time. But if you've never been properly evaluated and haven't been put on the right treatments, you always say headaches, certainly some headaches can be really, really dangerous, but if you know that your headaches are benign and not life-threatening, making sure you're on the right treatment is so important, because once you get on the right treatment, you feel better.